Ready to unlock savings at the pump? Let's dive into activating and using your Shell gift card to streamline your fuel purchases and maybe even save a little cash. First, let's talk activation. Many Shell gift cards are pre-activated, but some require activation before use. Check the back of your card for instructions or a website address if activation is needed. Visit the website or call the number provided. You will typically need the card number and security code, usually found under a scratch-off area. Make sure you scratch off the security code gently to avoid damaging it. Once you're on the website or talking to a representative, follow the prompts to activate your card. Keep your card handy throughout this process. Now, let's head to the pump at the Shell station. Insert your gift card into the card reader at the pump, just like you would with a debit or credit card. The pump will then prompt you to select your fuel grade as you normally would choose your desired octane level. If the pump doesn't automatically recognize your gift card as a payment method, look for an option on the screen that might say something like gift card or alternative payment. Select that option. Start fueling your vehicle. The amount will be deducted from your gift card balance. You can often check your remaining balance at the pump or online, depending on the card's terms. Remember, Shell gift cards can also be used inside the convenience store for eligible items. Just present the card at the checkout. Using Shell gift cards can be a great budgeting tool, helping you stay on track with your fuel and snack expenses. Enjoy the savings.